Oof.
There's no way.
What? DJI Mavic Pro Phantom 5 Plus.
Toaster not included.
Toaster's not included. Tempting.
No way! Okay. Impressive. No way. Oh, no. Oh.
It's done.
Oh my gosh. Going for another send. Will it fly after it dropped 100 feet out of the air? Is playtime over?
Playtime.
I think playtime's over. Shit. Go. No. Hey. You're doing great, bud.
A lot harder than it looks, kid.
Oh, it's hooked. You gotta go up and over. Playtime's over.
Yeah, battery pack's still in.
Gonna send this thing as high as it can go now. What, 2 miles high? Is that 2 mile? Something like that is the...
This thing wanna work?
Yo, record it though. About to go thrift shopping.
Oh yeah.
What? What?
The Gold Dust
Probably meet up with Scott
Galantis Cinematic.
too. Hit it with the cinematic now. Do you want to come to a thrift shop with us? Where? And probably in Wakanda. We'll pick you up. Oh, well then we'll go to a different one. Do you want to come or no?
Okay, Cat. Bye.
Okay, see ya.
Kobe!
What's the move, hype beast?
Go notes to Rack over in Deer Park, and we'll just work from there. We'll see what we got.
She will, baby. There.
I do it all for me, do it for the neighborhood. Smoking on that, making good. With my niggas when I do it. Got the liver in the blue, I got the marble on the floor. Got the
Yo, what the f going on?
every 20 minutes change.
Why is everyone... Yo,
I had a meal before
slow down. Why is everyone pulling over?
Just as long as they know money made me do it.
Should we see if they're alright? Whoa, okay. That's a mouse. Do you want us to ask?
Yeah.
Well, let's just pull up next to them. Okay, alright, Mike.
Should we just go?
Yeah. Oh shit!
Off-road it, bitches!
Okay, well, that was weird.
Every time I read them, I know I feed them. I know.
You. My phone is in the basement.
Hey, my name's Scott. Leave a message. Sorry I can't get to the phone right now.
That's a dog. No, dude, you could do it. Remember that party we went to in Cary? They did it in the room exactly like this.
Put like these, or like a more sturdy table like that black one that's out there, and then just fill this.
Exposed.
But dude, this would be so hard. Oh, for sure. You're in the fucking. I can't believe it.
That's fucking here.
So that's right here. So that. No, you fuck. Oh my god, this fucking thing. Out. 4 bars. Move it.
So big. It's a brick. Look, I'm so smart. I buy a extra battery for my camera that already has great battery, and it doesn't even stand. Catch it. You better catch it because it won't stand up. Wow. See what I can do with mine is I can set it down.
Ooh. But see? I got that vertical grip, baby. This thing's a cannon now. This thing's a 60 Mark II. You wouldn't even know it.